Schwartzberg once said, "Nature has invented reproduction as a mechanism for life to move forward. The process by which living organisms produce new organisms of the same kind is called reproduction." I would like to demonstrate before you the different methods by which plants reproduce. Plants reproduce through seeds, roots, stems, and leaves. First, I will show you the reproduction through seeds. Seeds are usually present inside the fruit of the plant. When a seed gets enough water, light, air, and soil rich in nutrients, it grows into a young plant. This process is called germination. Here, I will show you the different stages of germination of this bean seed. I am planting this bean seed. After 2 days, we can see that the seed coat has broken. In another 2 days, the baby plant comes out with a root and a shoot. Gradually, tiny leaves develop and this young plant is called a seedling. Next, I will show you how plants reproduce through stems. The stem of plants such as potato, sugarcane, rose, etc. can grow into new plants. This is a rose plant. You can see how the stem cut from a rose plant grows into a new rose plant. While cutting the stem, make sure that you cut below the node of the stem. Now, I am going to plant the cut stem. When it is given enough water, light, air and soil-rich nutrients, we can see new leaves sprouting from the stem and it grows into a new plant. Next, I would like to show you how plants reproduce through leaves. Plants such as Bryophyllum can give rise to many young plants on its leaf edges. These young plants later grow into new plants. This is the leaf of a Bryophyllum plant. I am going to place this in the soil. When the leaves come in contact with the soil and receive enough water and sunlight, small plants start to arise from the notches at the margins of the leaves. These young plants grow into new plants. Next, I would like to show you how plants reproduce through roots. Roots of plants such as sweet potato, dahlia, lily, etc. grow into new plants. This is the root of a young plant. In the presence of favorable conditions, here we can see a small shoot coming from the root of a young plant. After about a week or two, the shoot from the root develops into an independent young plant. This is a small experimental demonstration that I have done to show you the different methods by which plants reproduce. Thank you.